There'll be somebody that has one like yours or like your vision here.
We're really committed to student service learning and to engaging our students in asking them to really step up and grow.
So what this software is doing is asking us to insert the tool.
At Georgia Tech, it's run entirely by students.
I always have to tell our students who are training there's a difference between showing another student how to use a machine and showing them what the hazards are.
You have these 18-year-olds running a multi-million-dollar machine shop without killing themselves. You can do this, that it does work.
Malcolm was one of the few voices that was speaking up about the importance of data and tracking usage.
Seems like that's like your big bargaining chip when you're going to funding resources.
I've really seen and learned the value of tracking quantitative data about learning outcomes.
CCC Maker is a $17 million investment to create a network of makerspaces around California.
Learning how probably to draw students in is probably one of our biggest things.
So the first one that comes in, they see a friendly student to greet them, not a grumpy old person.
Students coming through the door, I show them a couple of examples and immediately they are inspired.
For a lot of students at our universities, this becomes their home. This is a life-changing community that they become a part of.
I thought the laser cutting library was a really cool idea, having samples of products that came off the laser cutters with the material settings directly on the products themselves.
How could we see if there's a role for large corporations to also use the facility in a way that not only benefits them, but allows for our students or our faculty to be part of that?
Our spaces worked with Amazon. We're in the process of talking with Boeing, get them more involved with the students.
Libraries have a lot to share. We're a creation space, and I think people are starting to realize that.
I think one of the most beneficial things of this type of conference is the networking.
Some of the people I've talked to, they're all very interested in helping each other get administrator approval of all these crazy things that we want to do. It's like, just call us if you run into a wall.
It's actually the first academic conference that I have felt like I found my community.
What you have stumbled into here with your makerspace is just this powerful nugget that we can give students the confidence to pursue their own ideas.